Breaking news. On April 14th, 2026, the SEC made a move that retail traders have been waiting on for 25 years. They officially eliminated the pattern day trader rule, and with it, the $25,000 minimum account requirement that has been locking small investors out of active trading since 2001 is dead. This is not a rumor. This is not a proposal. This is done, approved, signed off. And if you've ever been told you can't day trade because you don't have $25,000 sitting in a brokerage account, that barrier is now gone. We want to break this down for you clearly, because there's a lot of noise out there right now. Let's talk about what actually changed, what it means for you as a retail trader, and then we want to give you something that most people covering this story are completely ignoring. So what was the pattern day trader rule? It was a FINRA regulation introduced in 2001, right after the dot-com crash. At the time, regulators watched a generation of retail traders blow up their accounts, trading overvalued tech stocks. The response was to put a wall around day trading. The rule said, if you make 4 or more day trades in a 5 business day window, and your account has less than $25,000 in it, your broker locks you out. 90-day restriction, no day trading, done. For over 2 decades, that rule shaped who could and couldn't participate in active intraday trading. If you were a small account trader trying to build up from a few $1,000s, the rule treated you like a liability before you even made a mistake. Now here's what the SEC just approved. They replaced the old trade counting system with something called real-time intraday margin standards. Instead of flagging you based on how many trades you make, brokers will now monitor your actual position risk in real time, based on the volatility and size of what you're holding. The minimum account equity drops from $25,000 all the way down to $2,000. And the pattern day trader designation, that label that could freeze your account, is eliminated entirely. Full implementation across all brokerages is expected to roll out between now and early 2028. So your specific broker may take some time to update their systems, but the regulatory door is officially open. Now, here's where we have to be real with you, because every creator right now is going to make a video saying the gates are open. Go trade, have fun, make money. And we understand the excitement. We genuinely do. This is a win for retail access. But we need to give you the other side of the story, the side that Market Mindset University was literally built to address. The $25,000 rule was a financial barrier, what it was never able to remove, and what no SEC ruling ever will, is the emotional barrier, the psychological barrier, the mindset barrier. The reason most new traders lose money has nothing to do with account size. It has everything to do with discipline, impulse trades, revenge trades, letting a loss turn into a bigger loss because your emotions took the wheel, chasing a stock because you saw it moving and you didn't want to miss it. That is what destroys trading accounts. That is what destroyed mine. And a $2,000 minimum does not protect you from any of that. If anything, this ruling makes what we do here at MMU more important than ever before, because now the market is going to be flooded with new retail participants who have no framework, no discipline, no practice reps. And the market doesn't care. The market will take their money just like it took money from the generations before them. That's why we built the 50 Trades Challenge, not to teach you how to get rich fast, but to give you the reps, to build the muscle memory, to make sure that when real money is on the line, your emotions are not running the show, but discipline is commanding the stage. Practice with purpose, perform with precision. That's not just our tagline. That's the difference between being a statistic and being a profitable trader. If you're new here and this ruling has you fired up, good. Use that energy, but channel it the right way. Start with our free orientation. Build your foundation before you put real money at risk. The door is now open. Make sure you're ready to walk through it. Drop a comment below. We want to know, does this ruling change anything for you? Were you sitting under that $25,000 ceiling? Let us know. And if this video helped you understand what's happening, share it. This is the kind of news that every retail trader needs to hear explained the right way. I'm Professor Jeff. This is Market Mindset University, and we'll see you in the next video.